In this session, you will create a structural assembly of the canopy support, including the tapered columns and beams and the connection plates. That will be stored in the structural assembly library. Finally, you will select the assemblies to place in the model and place the assembly at each of the canopy columns. Create a selection set of the tapered wood beams and columns and the connection plates. Select the Create Assembly tool. Give the new assembly a name, such as Canopy Support, Alt 1. Set the destination to Workset. This determines where the assembly is stored. Set the discipline to Structural. This determines the library where the assembly will be stored within the workset. Select the Define Placement Point icon and use the structural snap to the bottom of the steel column. Select OK. The assembly is added to the library. Delete the selected components. Now you will choose the assemblies from the library and place it in the model. Select the Place Assembly tool. Select the assemblies created. Place the assembly by snapping to the base of the steel column, then rotating the assembly into position. Be careful that the shorter beam is facing towards the station building. Then data point to accept. Repeat this at each column. In this session, you have created a structural assembly, and then you placed a structural assembly. In the next session, you will finish the structure for the roof canopy by adding some purlins to support the glass panels.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.